Hello everybody, Laura here. So today I have an art journal page process video for you, and the video is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just using the DeckArt Premium Acrylics, excuse me, and this is the first time that I used these acrylics, and I really like using them. I like it that they're in the tube form, so they're easy to just put out just a little bit for you to use, and they are thicker than the regular acrylics, so I really enjoyed using them. And throughout the process I just use various stencils from Tim Holtz, Heidi Swapp, and then I use some DeckArt stencils excuse me, and I'm just going to add some different using the various stencils, just putting paint all over the background to add some texture and dimension into the background. And then I'm going to be using a stencil from AliExpress of this girl's face, and I think it's very beautiful. If you haven't heard of AliExpress, it's a website and an app, and they just have a lot of really cheap items. It's compared pretty much to like Wish, the Wish app. I'm sure maybe you've heard of that one. But I just came across the stencils and I thought they were really cute, so I bought them. And with them being so cheap, and everything that you buy off of this website and this app, they come from China. And the stencils are very flimsy, but they are very beautiful and very affordable. So, you know, I definitely felt that it was worth it, and I really like how the project came out. I tried, this was the second or third attempt at trying to make an art journal page. I messed up doing the page because the stencil being so flimsy, I was trying to use black modeling paste over the top, and it just went underneath the stencil, and so it made a big mess. So the rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory. I think I will just go ahead and put the rest of the video on fast forward and let you guys watch the process. So thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.